Hey health enthusiasts, ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier life? Let's dive in. Maintaining a healthy weight can be your golden ticket to preventing many contemporary diseases. Recent studies show that staying within a normal weight range not only lowers your mortality rate, but also significantly reduces your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. But weight isn't just a number on a scale, it's a reflection of your overall health. And achieving it isn't as hard as you might think. It starts with a balanced diet. Fill your plate with whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and added sugars. They're the real culprits behind many health issues. And let's not forget regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise each week. Whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing, find something you love and stick with it. Strength training is equally important. Building muscle helps you burn more calories even at rest. But here's the kicker. It's not just about physical health. Mental well-being plays a huge role too. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga into your routine. These can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance your overall quality of life. So, join our community of like-minded people passionate about living their best life possible. Whether you're here to improve your physical health, boost your mental well-being, or simply find more joy in your daily routine, this channel, Living Well Daily, is here to guide and inspire you. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it so more people can benefit. Subscribe now and start your journey to a healthier, happier life. Let's do this together. #health, #wellness, #healthy living, #disease prevention. Catch you in the next video.